For those of you in the graduating class of 2022, you're the first class in 3 years to celebrate this milestone in person. For those of you from the classes of 2021 and 2020, thank you for returning to be together in ways that no virtual ceremony could ever achieve.
Good afternoon. All right, now, yes, go ahead and clap. It's a great occasion. That's all right. Yes. There is reason to celebrate.
Congratulations to all of you. Thank you for coming to celebrate this landmark in the lives of our graduates. Now more than ever, we can't afford to be detached from the issues and challenges in our world today. You can't heal every patient. Not every experiment or scientific program yields a meaningful advance in knowledge. But you can reach out and touch someone's hand that moment when they're the most scared. You can lock eyes with someone and convey your confidence that yes, they are going to be okay.
Graduates, I'm here to honor you, the new clinicians and researchers in the field of medicine, because you are central to the shared endeavor of life on this planet. The professions you have chosen, or that perhaps have chosen you, are life-giving. There is no job more vital than protecting and advancing human health. I remain in awe of your profession and those of you who pursue it.
Crises either bring people together or drive them apart. I'm so grateful that because of who you are as individuals and who we are as a community, this crisis brought us together and strengthened our resolve. To all of you, go help, go heal, go discover, and remember the people whose lives we get to touch. Always, always remember the human connection. Congratulations.